Welcome to Sri Sankaradeva Nethralaya, nestled at the heart of Guwahati, the gateway to the northeast of India. A center of excellence, as declared by Prime Minister of India in 2004.
The School of Optometry in Sri Sankaradeva Nethralaya is one of the top institutes for optometry and ophthalmic sciences in the Northeast.
The teaching methodology of Sri Sankaradeva Nethralaya is designed in such a way that students have close relations with the teachers and have regular interactions with them. This brings out active learning, student satisfaction and good results. The students are not only limited to classroom learning and theoretical knowledge, but are also provided with early clinical exposure, hands-on training and project-based learnings. With highly skilled faculties, experienced consultants and standard facilities, the students are provided the best environment to learn and grow.
Hello everyone, my name is Sankaradeva Singh. I am currently pursuing Master of Optometry in Sri Sankaradeva Nethralaya. After I enrolled Master of Optometry in Sri Sankaradeva Nethralaya, I realized our academic atmosphere is outstanding. Especially our faculty teacher is not only educator, they are the innovator, they are the pioneer, they are the mentors.
The administration of Sri Sankaradeva Nethralaya has been structured to ensure the highest standards of patient care, education, and research in the field of ophthalmology. The key aspects of its administration includes leadership and governance, medical administration, operational management, patient care services, education and training, research and development, quality assurance and compliance. Overall, the administration of Sri Sankaradeva Nethralaya is balanced to provide clinical excellence, providing the top-tier eye care services, also contributing to education and research in its field.
As a master's student at Sri Sankaradeva Nethralaya, I am continuously impressed by the quality of education and support available here. The faculties are not only leaders in their field, but they are also dedicated mentors who genuinely care about our success. Under the guidance of experienced professionals here, we get a hands-on experience with diverse patient cases, which is not available in any other institute.
Welcome to Sri Sankaradeva Nethralaya. My name is Rimpi Borpatra Gohain. I completed my Bachelor of Optometry at this esteemed institution. During my final year of internship, I was fortunate to be selected in a research project here. And it really motivated me to study further. Recognizing the institution's excellence and the support it provides for my aspirations, I chose to continue my education and enroll myself in post-graduation in optometry in this institution itself, which is no less than a second home to me.
So please come and join and explore your thinking in Sri Sankaradeva Nethralaya. Thank you so much.